Magandang hapon guys. Tingnan mo pusa guys oh. Tingnan mo guys, pusa guys oh. Guys oh. Ayun sa higaan guys, nagtulog guys. Ayun guys, mga pusa na yun guys. Parang tao guys oh. Hindi kumot ba guys? Paki-share guys. Paki-share sa video guys. Like, share guys. Yung mga viewers and followers ko, friends and relatives, brothers and sisters, paki-share kayo. Nakababayad, tingnan mo guys. Tingnan mo yun guys. Pusa yun guys. Doon natutulog guys, sa higaan guys. Ito guys, okay ito guys, kay nandun lang siya sa basaan guys. Nasa pintuan siya guys. Natulog guys, okay guys. Mingay! 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 Ayan guys, ayan guys. Tingnan nyo guys, kasi nung muna tayo guys sa inipon natin guys. So ayan guys, kunti-kuntingin guys. Suotin natin yun guys para maaga tayo guys. Hindi natin nahabol yung oras guys. Hindi tayo magmadali para relax na tayo guys. Ayan guys, kita nyo na guys. Ayan guys, ready na guys ang gamit guys. Bag. Ayan guys, mga pusa guys. Ito ba yun guys, mga pusa na yun guys. Ayan yun guys. Anong ginagawa nila dito guys? Ayan guys, Ayan guys, Lupi! Lupi! Lupi guys, Ay, tingin nila na mukha na yun guys. Pusang kali yan guys. Ito guys. Ayun guys, nakatingin ba guys, tingin nyo yun guys. Pusang kali yan guys. Jungsin! Jungsin! Lupi! 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 Tingnan mo guys, Lupi! Jungsin! Guys, paki-comment guys kung anong klaseng pusa yan guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Hybrid ba yan guys? O pusa pa, pusang kali yan guys. Tingnan mo guys. Guys, ayan guys, ayan guys, tulog guys, hindi pa kita yung mukha niya guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan eh guys. Ayan guys, okay no? Ano yun sa tingin nyo guys? Okay guys, bye. Ito lang yung video guys. Pag-share guys. Mag-iwan kayo ng bakas guys. Okay guys, bye.